Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use the AutoCorrect feature in MS Word. To understand what is AutoCorrect feature, see this example. If I will type here ACN and enter, you can see it is turned into can. The spelling are corrected and the first letter is capitalized. But if I type A and C and enter, you can see the spelling are not correct. So why the spelling of can is corrected and why here the spelling are not corrected? This is what AutoCorrect feature do. To see this how it work, go in File tab and then in Options, and here you can see Proofing. Click on it and you can see here AutoCorrect options. Click on this and you will get this dialog box. Here you can see different autocorrections are applied. Say correct to initial capital, capitalize first letter of sentence, capitalize first letter of table cells, capitalize name, capitalize names of days. So these options are already applied. And whereas spelling, as I was typing can, so here you can see ACN can, and when you will type ACN, it will convert it into can. If you want to add another word, as I will see A and C and replace with CAN. After writing this, click on add and close this. Now as I have added A and C in AutoCorrect feature, so now I will type A and C and enter, you can see it has converted into can. So this is how AutoCorrect feature works in MS Word. In the end, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.